Hi! In this video tutorial, we will see how you may execute vREST test cases on command line. vREST provides a command line utility named as vrunner. With the help of this utility, you may execute vREST test cases on command line. Just download the vrunner binary and we are ready to go. For more information on setup or download, please visit our guide on setup or install vrunner in vREST supported add-ons section. Once you install this utility, then you will be able to execute vREST commands on command line. This help option will show you all the available options of vrunner command. We have also added this directory in our path variable. So now we may directly execute this vrunner command. Let's see how you may execute test cases with vrunner command. So these are some sample test cases organized according to test suites in vREST. Now suppose we want to execute the test cases of test suite 1. Then just select the test suite 1. Then click on this copy current list URL button to copy the URL. This URL basically contains all the filter information to fetch the filtered list of test cases we just want to execute. Now on the command line, execute the vrunner command like this. In the URL option, paste the copied URL. Make sure that you enclose the URL option in double quotes. Now let's execute this vrunner command. vrunner checks the provided credentials and fetches the test cases list of test suite 1 and then start executing them one by one on command line. vrunner shows the method and summary information of each executed test case. Here the green color means that the test case has passed and the red color means that the test case has failed. Once the vrunner finishes the execution, it will show you the basic test run summary and it will also store the execution results of this test run on the server. You can see the test run name here. So let's view this test run report on vREST application. Once you go to the vREST application, you will need to refresh the page to view the results of newly executed test run in vREST application. Now in the vREST application, you may filter on test run which we just executed via vrunner. You may see the status of each test case in the test run. You may see the results of a particular test case by going to the Results tab of the test case as we have done in our previous tutorials. You may also see the execution time details of this test case by checking the Show Execution Time Details. Now let's go back to the command line. vrunner also provides to export the test run report in JSON, CSV, XUnit format. So in our previous command, just add the logger option like this. Now once the test run is finished, then vrunner will store the test run report in XUnit format on your local file system. For storing the results on local file system, vrunner by default creates a new directory named as vrest_logs in the current directory and then stores the XML file in XUnit format in this directory. You may also specify the custom log file path with the file path option. So this is our test run report file in XUnit format. This log file can be used in any continuous integration server for reporting purposes. We will look into continuous integration part in our upcoming tutorials. This vrunner command can also be configured in any third-party cron utility to schedule test run execution. We will look into the scheduling part of our test run in our upcoming tutorials. Now, if you want to execute more than one test suite, then it is also very easy via vrunner. Just apply the desired filter in vREST application and then copy the URL by clicking on the button Copy Current List URL as we did earlier and use this copied URL in the vrunner command. This is how you may execute vREST test cases on command line.